It would not be wrong to say that Aiman and Minal do not need any introduction. The two sisters are just 21 years old. People love Aiman and Minal's acting so much that every new drama that comes out is a hit on TV screens. Aiman, who started her married life by marrying actor Munib Bus 2 years ago. A few months after the marriage, Allah also blessed her with a daughter. On the other hand, Minal is still unmarried and is looking for a good boy. Just a few days ago, the news went viral on social media that something was going on between Minal and Ahsan. When Ahsan wrote "I love you" on a photo of Minal on Instagram, in response, Minal commented a heartfelt emoji and people understood that there was some loving relationship between the two. Perhaps very few of you know that Aiman and Minal have even launched their own clothing brand at the age of 20. Probably a testament to the success of these two sisters. Aiman and Minal had a beautiful photo shoot for their brand A&M closet in Eastern Shore, Qamiz. So let's take a look at the photo shoots of their new collections.